Think all eggs are the same? Think again. Duck eggs are next level nutritious. Duck eggs have much larger yolks, more color, more nutrients, and more flavor. They're loaded with protein and fat, making them ideal for building muscle or baking gourmet treats. Their richness helps baked goods rise better and taste more moist and decadent. They also have a slightly creamier flavor. Some say it's even more eggy than chicken eggs. So next time you're at the market, grab a duck egg and taste the upgrade. Thanks for watching. Like for more amazing poultry facts.